How can women make money online from home? Hello all, welcome to my channel. Money is a major concern for many families. Women who choose to stay at home after they become mothers are often criticized in these times of crisis, but again, the internet now empowers any women to work from home and make money online.
Here's idea of how women can make money online from home. Take online surveys for quick cash via PayPal. Surveys are one of the quickest ways for women to make money online. And because women drive an estimated 70 to 80% of consumer spending, survey companies really want to know your opinion and are willing to pay top dollar for it.
Some best survey site to make money: InboxDollars, Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, LifePoints, Vindale Research, Toluna, Ipsos I-Say, PointClub. Test cosmetics another choice as item trying. On the off chance that you are trying beautifying agents, healthy skin items, nail items, and such, you are likely erring on the side of caution. You either bring in cash or keep the item you tried subsequent to giving input. You can simply watch skin cream, against maturing items, and beautifying agents heap up in your home. You will be the jealousy of the area.
Testing drug items, then again, is somewhat unsafe. Indeed, the result is gigantic, however you may wind up encountering results you didn't think you could. Better skirt this one. You can bring in cash by testing games if that is something you would appreciate doing, and acquire huge just by messing around on the web. Work-at-home mothers with experience in item testing illuminate that free examples are not all they're getting. Covers, garments, espresso packs, tea boxes, DVDs, books and CDs are available to anyone. Once in a while, you may need to cover postage, however the expense is a lot lower than the worth of the thing you get. Share Amazon purchase history and get paid easily.
If you're a regular Amazon shopper, you can earn money each month simply by letting a research company track your purchase history. ShopTracker will instantly send you a free $3 Visa gift card, plus another $3 for every month you keep it installed. Start blogging is one of the easiest way any housewife can earn from home. There are many female bloggers out there, who are making thousands of dollars just by sharing something that they know. Being a woman, you can start a blog based on your knowledge and interest. For example, if you are great in cooking, baby care, home care or anything like this, you can start a blog, and earn from advertising.
Do voice-over jobs from home consistently. There are in a real sense a great many bits of substance delivered, from TV advertisements, web introductions, radio jingles, and computer game characters, that need voice-over work. What's more, most of these substance makers would prefer not to pay a Hollywood entertainer a great many dollars. So they're willing to pay regular individuals $100 to $1,500 for loaning their voice for 10 to 180 minutes of voice-over work. Be that as it may, the trickiest piece of the voice-over work game is tracking down the correct chances. There are a couple of assets out there to help new voice-over experts land these chances, however the one we discovered to be the best is VoGenesis. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is generally self-employed and provides professional administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. Virtual assistant 6 must-have skills. Word processing skills. Word processing is a basic virtual assistant task which is almost always done by virtual assistants and is rarely left out. Oral communication and writing skills. Computer skills. Self-motivation and discipline. Quick thinking and effective decision-making.
Lastly, love for continuous learning.